In this video here, I'm going to replace my headlight switch. Let's see if it'll actually work. You can't, let's see here. Yeah, you can actually see it working. So what's happening is, and the reason why I need to replace the headlight switch is when especially when the truck is cold, and I'll show you in the new one, the dimmer would actually, it just would stop working. The radio light, the dash lights, nothing would work. They would come on. The headlights and everything were fine, but this is indication that the headlight switch is just plain wore out. So more than likely, this is the original headlight switch, 2002 with 275 595, as you can see there. So I'm gonna say it's time to replace that switch. I wasn't going to do this video, but I figured I'll throw it up there anyway. Got a lot of people watching my other videos on this truck. So basically here, if I can do this one-handed, or we'll do it in increments, you got to pull the dash cover up out of the way. And that sometimes pulls it in down there. Get that out of the way. And now we have basic access to the switch. I don't know if we could just pull it right out. Let me grab a screwdriver. All right. Pretty well coming out pretty easy, because I had this out once before, as you can see, when I installed my fog lights. Simple as that. Here's our new one. I know guys are taking and rewiring their truck or changing it. There's just do an online search, you'll find it where they're actually putting the 2003 model in. And me, I'm going to leave this right the way it is. This one was on sale. I'll put a link in the description below, but it's hard to, right now, like this here works it's really tight. This is super loose, as you can, I don't know if we can see, I guess, no, there we go, down inside. And the contacts are probably just wearing out, and it's just time to replace. And in this one here, get the camera on it. So let's get that installed. All right, back at the truck. Gonna need two hands to do this, but we're gonna plug that back into the switch. All right, got that plugged back into the switch. Should fit right back in. All right. Turn the light off here. Oh yeah, much better. Interior light comes on the way it should. All right. Can even actually see the glow. I'm actually thinking that the glow in the switch itself wasn't working before, as we can see it there. But yeah, let's install it. So now we'll put the bezel back in. Now you won't have this issue here, and I'm doing this again one-handed. This is my little Bluetooth device, because my factory radio works pretty good yet. And did some videos on some Kenwoods and stuff. I'll have another video to post on. I know a lot of people watch a Kenwood video I did on in a 1975 F-150. Got some updates on that. I'll have to post that as soon as I get a chance. Been pretty busy. Gonna get caught up here and get some more videos going. Got the line up there. There go. Get that where I like it. And try and put another piece of Velcro on that. But yeah, eventually, and I see this is broke here. I just have to look for one of them. But get that clip back in. All right, need two hands. All right, needed two hands with that, but now we got that installed. Double check the operation. Double check the key. Everything is good. I'll have to do a video. I'm gonna have to get a new shifter. As you can see, this is starting to get some pretty good play in it. I might upgrade to, I did see online, maybe I'll upgrade to this, to the manual shift, but this here is getting pretty wore, so I think I'm going to get that ordered and get that replaced. But other than some regular maintenance on this truck, and things do break, recent thing on this thing, I had replaced transmission cooler. I did a video some time ago on the cooler lines and stuff like that, but I upgraded the cooler, went to an off-brand. I'm going to tell everybody out there, buy brand name. Some of this stuff we buy out there that's cheap and whatnot, it's really in the long run not cheap. That part lasted 7 months, and then I ordered the right one. Maybe I'll do a video on that in the future. How to get the truck done with things going on. So, but anyway, unfortunately, it doesn't exactly match. Probably not the right color, but I'm going to be honest with you, I don't care. It was on sale. It works. As we can see here, turn that off. We're good to go again. So, but anyway, if you like the video, hit me a thumbs up. Appreciate it very much. Content creators try to work hard to give you a good video. I am not perfect. I'm not a videographer. I just want to throw information out there. Do I like doing these kind of videos? Yes, I actually do. And just trying to help you out. I know there's been comments on my channel and stuff like that. So be it. You have a right to give your opinion. We live in a free country. But thanks for watching. This is GMAC. Like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next video. And remember, keep on wrenching.